Try to use your two hands. You need to walk closer. Use your power. Oh, galing oh! Galing, you have power? Wow! Again. Papa, baby, that's how the power. Again, here you go. Just slow it like this. Oh, galing oh, galing oh. You have power? Oh. You slow it like this. Oh, galing oh. You have power, Dessa? Huh? Tell to Papa. Papa, don't run. You go to Papa na. You show it to Papa. Even you are too far, it will still work. Show it to Papa. Papa. Papa, baby, that's how the power. Oh, look. Sige, baby, that's wait lang. When baby Dessa puts her hands up, the water fountain will go up too.
That's my power.
Oh, that's baby Dessa's power. Hold on. Baby Dessa will show you Papa. Baby Dessa, can you try? Hold on. Your hands. Wow, Papa. Oh, wow. Galing. Na-miss ko.
Want to work.
Is it gonna work? You slow na lang it. Slow mo na lang yan. Slow mo na lang yung water. Ayusin mo.